managers have to deal with both the operational costs of accidents and the social and economic costs that drivers incur. On the other hand, they feel overwhelmed by rising fleet operating costs, accidents disrupting operations, and customers' demands for digital transformation and Logistics 4.0. According to reports, although there are many statistical data about the financial, social, and economic consequences of road traffic accidents, these are just assumptions. The actual impact is much higher. Current situation. Fleet managers use different software to tackle with these accidents, like fleet management systems, in-vehicle camera and fatigue detection systems. These are good equipment for monitoring events retrospectively. They generate hundreds of lines of violation reports and dozens of hours of IVMS log review. But they don't guide driver to take precautions earlier enough. What we offer. Muavin focuses on safe e-journey. It evaluates road risk factors that may cause accidents holistically. It offers a single software solution that manages road safety, maintenance, and operational efficiency. It does not warn heavy goods truck driver moving in the rain in the last seconds. Instead, it pulls the precaution back to minutes ago. Muavin focuses on predictively removing driver, vehicle, cargo, and road-related risk conditions in advance. Muavin, inspired by aviation, adapted to road transport. The fleet manager can monitor the entire operation, just as air traffic control does. The system uses a tablet installed on the dashboard and not only send audible warnings to the driver, but also instantly email the driver's safety violations to the fleet manager. When it's adopted correctly, it's an assistant acting as an audible traffic signal in low visibility situations. Muavin also helps to establish a secure communication between the driver of the broken down vehicle and the maintenance manager. It helps the maintenance manager to coordinate periodic maintenance. It is a support system for cost of ownership and fix or replace decisions. The driver does not need to use his own mobile phone.
Pay attention coming vehicles from the left of the intersection. Drive uphill.
It is interactive. A system built on messaging, emails, and instant reports eliminating the distance between your planning, maintenance, and HSSE departments and drivers. It reduces report preparation workload and increases productivity. The reports shed light to the future.
You are getting closer to a school area. Be careful about the pedestrians. Watch out vehicles coming from the right.
It has a cost-efficient and modular structure. As it is software as a service, it does not require a long and time-consuming investment budget preparation and approval process. It can be integrated with the resource management software you currently use in your company. There's no need to leave your business to chance with last-second alert systems anymore. Are you willing to take the steps to create more freedom in this area? Don't calculate your risks. Manage them.